Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to enable the light theme in Windows 10 1903 update. To start off with, all you need to do is right click on your desktop and then go down to personalize. You now need to click on colors and you now need to click on light. If you go to the top here where it says custom, you can actually select light here as well. Or if you are on custom, then you can just select light options there. And that is it. It really is that easy. And I must say, I really do love the new light theme in Windows 10 1903. You will notice I will be using this theme a lot in a lot of my new tutorials. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.